Hello, Parnassians. It's me again, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It. And this is week 10, so this is edition 10 of what we're going to be doing today. And we're going to do a coin bounce onto a target. So if you just want to grab a paper plate and make a pretty simple target like this, the center is going to be 5, middle ring kind of is going to be 3, and then you're going to have the outer ring that's going to be 1. So it's going to be 5, 3, 1, and those are going to be your points. And what you're going to do is you're going to set it down on the counter. You're going to grab a quarter. What you're going to do is you're going to bounce the quarter off the counter and try to have it land on the bullseye. Well, that's the main objective. Try to get as many points as you can get in 60 seconds. And you guys can grab a piece of paper and a pencil and write down your points as you get them, or have one of your parents or siblings try to keep track or do that for you. But use one quarter and just bounce it and try to get as many points as you can off the paper plate, off the target that you designed. Mine's pretty simple and boring. If you guys want to get really extravagant and artsy, you can. It'd be kind of cool. Maybe take a picture of it and send it to Magister Zachman, the art teacher, and see what he thinks. But like I said, it's week 10, guys. So this is the minute to win it for this week. The coin bounce onto paper plate target. I hope you guys have fun with it, and send your scores to Magister Cole and myself, and we look forward to hearing from you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and we'll be seeing you soon. See ya.